Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about exactly how you can add Google Search Console to your website and you can start getting better SEO rankings. So let's jump straight into that. Alrighty, so here we are in the Google Search Console backend. So what you're going to want to do is just go on google.com and search Search Console. This is all you need to search. Go ahead and click on the first one. It's going to look just like this. Click on Start Now, sign into your Gmail. Since I'm already signed in, we're just going to stay on this page here. So then next step is to go to your website itself, copy the URL, make sure you have the right structure. If you want www, and make sure you have HTTPS, so SSL certificate. Consult with your hosting provider to figure that stuff out. But go over here on the left-hand side, and if you already have previous ones, you'll be able to see right here, and click on Add Property. Add Property, go to URL prefix. Go ahead and just copy that right into there, and continue. Now with my setup here, I already have the HTML tag in there, so yours is going to show up 4 or 5 different options as to how you can verify ownership. Since I already did HTML tag, it looks just like this for Google Search Console. I'll show you an example exactly what it looks like. So perfect example right here. It'll look like meta name, and then I'll have equal signs and then quotations, and then it'll go and have the ID. So once you do that, copy that. Let's say this is it, for example. Copy it, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, down to Theme Editor. On Theme Editor on the right-hand side, under Theme Files, scroll down to where it says Header. Where'd it go? Header.php. Perfect, right there. Go ahead and click on that. Once this loads up, you want to navigate to where it says Head, and then the second one where it has the /head, and go ahead and copy that tag straight into there. Now that's not the tag, but of course, go ahead and copy that tag right into here. Click on Update File. Once you click on Update File, go back over to Google Search Console and click on Verify. I'm sorry I wasn't able to get that pulled up here. I thought for a second it was going to happen, but wasn't going to happen. Now when you click on Verify, you should get a message just like this, and go to your property. And on this property, obviously you're in Search Console, and there should be nothing else you have to do to set up. It should be all set up. I would for sure go on ownership verification and make sure that you have 100% ownership and it's all green, no errors or anything. As you can see, you can verify it in like 4 or 5 different ways here, but obviously HTML tag is probably the easiest and most secure in my opinion. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like on it. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll get back to those. With that being said, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.